Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have an unboxing of a paint by number. This is a new company. The name of the company, excuse me, is Houseart. Houseart. They are in the United Kingdom, and they asked me to review this product. But before we unpack all that, please hit the like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the notification bell if you like this video, and search on the channel for playlists of different craft. I like craft, or almost all kinds of craft. And I have a playlist according, that you can watch according to your taste. And please comment below. It always helps to interact. Since we social media, at least let's interact among each other. So, like I was saying, House of Art asked me to do a review. I got it out of the package. It came in one of those big mailers. And I remember I didn't request the frame, but they sent it anyway, and I think that is nice of you. You have in this website, you have the choice to choose the size and the number of paints that you want. That's the advantage. That's their advantage, because sometimes, depending on the detail, you want to have more paints to show up the details. Okay? So here they are. Here is the frame, right? It's one of those frames that you put inside over here. Let me check. But my husband always, I'm sorry, I have to do it off camera to get it close to me. This is one, my husband always recommend to put wood glue in between the seams, okay? So this is a nice frame. It's not cheap or anything. It was well packed, as you can see. Let me take this out, because I'm not gonna do it right now. It was well packed. There is nothing cheap on it. It's not broken. So, and it was well done packed, and that's kudos, because sometimes they don't pack this stuff and it damage on shipment. Okay, so now to the juice. This is the package. I wrote that so I will know where it came from. This is the package it came in. It's very sturdy. It's a little bent over there, but that's not a biggie. Okay, I like that. It says paint by number. The Houseart, I wrote it on it. So let's see what we got over here. We got a series of thumbtacks. Okay, we don't have anything else in the box. Let's see what we got. Oh, we have two. So they sent me both. Oh, shoot. So they did send me both. I requested two, but only... And take a look at, yeah, they sent me both of them. Okay, let's take a look first at the paints, because they have the picture on it. And I like this. The paint comes in a sturdy case. Oh, this is big one, guys. Kudos to this. Yeah, because sometimes they come in those flumpy things, and they send me two. Take a look at this. Here is a picture of the first one. This is like a fall. Okay. Here is, oh, this is, oh, I gotta try this. The quality of this paint. This is more sturdy, this package. I wish it's a 36 colors. Beautiful colors. Beautiful colors, beautiful colors. Okay. And I got, okay, here it is. This is how it's put up. And here is a set of brushes. I gotta try the quality of these brushes. I'm assuming that the thumbtacks is to help you put it in something so you can paint it. Here are the hardware for the frame, okay? Don't lose those. And here are the brushes. This is number 6, number 1, and number 8. Take a look at this. I'm gonna try we're gonna do some paint by number pretty soon. So, because I'm missing doing that stuff. I've been busy with crochet doing items. So, and the unboxing. So here it is. You got 3 brushes, the square one a small one, and 1 big one. That small one is kind of a medium. They call it a number 1. And believe me, Houseart, you are great in your supplies and the packaging, and nobody has of the budget-friendly companies for paint by number. Nobody has these 30 packages like this. No one. You see, they don't come off easily. They don't come off easily. These ones were even upside down. Oh, keep up the good work, Houseart. I love it. I love it. I suggest they have a discount on the website. I like this one. It wasn't for the space and that I'm reorganizing with another craft. I will definitely order some more paints from this company. But it seems to me, let's take a look at the paints only. We saw the brushes. It seems like they are the same. And we can look at the picture. Here is a picture of this one. The other one is kind of autumn. This one is kind of either spring or summer time, however you want to see it. Okay? And it seems like it's true to the item, to the paint. It's like the results of the paint. Let's take a look at this. We have the same type of brushes. I'm not going to take it out of the package because I just show you. Okay. But I'm going to try those brushes because they look like they are good quality brushes. So, and here it is, the colors for this one. Okay. I'm showing you from the back. Okay, also 36 color. Although the numbers is kind of a little off, you might want to put a sticker on them. It kind of fade away. That's the only thing on this one. So you might want to put, you know, those little round stickers. And here is the other one. Oh man, I feel like doing it. Like so many ones that I have. It's just that I haven't started another one because I need to finish Mickey. All I need to do is some blending and that's it. But oh my, I like this packaging. I like this. Now we're gonna test the quality of the paints, and I will give you a post review. I gotta do one. Well, I gotta do many. So let's put this aside so we can have some space to see the paints. All right, we got this is good. And the thing is, okay, this one is for this one, okay? And they have the let's call it the pattern, the chart, I should say. The only thing is, it's a little off over here. It's it kind of, the ink run out, that's all. But you know, according to the chart, you got a lot of small places over here, but the numbers can be seen. And the chart is good because if you miss a part, then you can come back to the chart and look for the number. Or if you put the wrong paint that you realize, then you can do that. Okay, I like the fact that they give you some tag so you can put it in something, stretch the canvas so you can paint. Okay. Okay, so let's see that one. Here is the canvas. The canvas is kind of a plastic with fabric. Okay, it probably needs to be gesso. Okay, and the numbers are clear. The boundaries of the paints are clear. Let's check the smaller areas. Yeah, we got a 2 over here. The numbers are very clear. Okay, this is nice, and the canvas is kind of soft, but it's kind of a plastic fabric on the back. Okay, but you know, it look like it's manageable, that you'll be able to stretch it. Plus, here it is. It got these lines, which it can help you when you put it in the frame. Okay? So this is neat. Okay, let me put this one over here, because these belong to this. And we put it on the side. And here is the other one. They sent me 2 in 1 package. So I'm assuming that if you buy 2, I hope that if you buy more than 2, they send you 2 packages, because it tends to kind of get to wrinkle. Over here, we have the same situation, but the chart is no problem. This is not a deal breaker. Okay, I know that, you know, some of the area might be covered by the ink, you know, but this should not be a deal breaker. And take a look at this. And I love the fact that I ordered 36 paints because I wanted as much as detail. This is a 40 by 50. Okay, and here is the canvas again. It's the same plastic / fabric type of canvas. It's soft to the touch. Okay, you're probably gonna need some gesso on it, although lately I'm kind of reluctant to using the gesso. Here it is. The lines are clear, the numbers are clear. Okay, even the small numbers. And this is for the other one. Let me see what the other one is. This is for this one. Oops. No, Mickey. Mickey's on the house. Anything that falls down, I have to pick it up. There is no question about it. No question about it. Let me try to close it real tight so it won't reopen and fall again. So this is okay. This is pretty. So this company is a good one. It's a budget friendly but a professional. This is what I call professional paint by numbers too, because you cannot have everything wrapped up in a tube, in a foaming tube, and then some companies don't buy you this, which is very important, and for you to check in case that you make a mistake, right? This is the other one. They both got it. They have, and not only they have this, right? But they also have a nice packaging of the paint. And the paints are in, the paint pots are in a storage that, you know, you don't have to be afraid because they fall down if you put it in certain position. The brushes look like they are professional, okay? I'm recapping. But I have to test this, so I'm probably gonna be testing one of this. Probably I will do this one since we are in the summertime. Okay. They have the frame. They sent me a frame for one of them for whichever I want to do. Okay. I'm assuming that the thumbtacks also could be for this, for the back. But I have the gun that I can do it in a sturdy way. So the frames are okay. They're not, you know, they don't have any damage in transit because they did package correctly. Okay. They put this. They came separate from the box. They were not in the box that you saw. And they have these 30 bucks that you can that came in that protects your paint. So far I give it a 10 in the pre-review. Okay, now we gotta do the post-review, how the paints got managed, how the brushes lasted. That's the part that I'm gonna be doing pretty soon, as I finish fixing my living room. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'm gonna post the link to the company, the website on it. Remember, they are in pounds, but they converted in they can convert it in US dollars. Okay, and give it a try. This is a good company, Houseart. Okay, they are in the UK. I like it. The shipping took a little bit because when I got this today, I didn't even remember who came from, but it took a little while, the shipping, but it is worth it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.